Hello, welcome back. I hope everybody is doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a What's in My Bag featuring my Balenciaga Bazar tote in the XS size. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and unzip. Again, love that double zipper. It is packed with a bunch of random things that I just sort of tossed in here throughout the weekend. It was a very busy weekend. We had family visiting and it was absolutely fabulous. We'll go ahead and get started. The first thing I have is my Oliver Peoples Daddy B sunglasses, which I absolutely love. So those were on the top because I always need to wear those. Second is my Gucci Marmont compact wallet, and it is my everyday wallet. I'll definitely do a review on that wallet coming soon. And I have my scarf. This is a scarf from the Gucci outlet. I have my beanie, which is from Kate Spade. Let's see, I do have two masks. These are just two masks that I got from Kohl's when I was in the United States. I have some Nivea Bronze and Protect SPF 50. I don't know how this ended up in here, but again, it was sunny but yet cold this weekend and needed to protect my skin. And I also have the Nivea face sunblock. Yeah, face sunblock. I have that as well. Let's see, I have my trusty Louis Vuitton mini pouchet accessoire. This one again just holds all my pills, my allergy pills, my wipes for my glasses, I think I have some shout wipes, my blotting powders. Yeah, it just has all my little medications and everything inside. So I always keep this with me. This, again, like my Gucci wallet, just goes from bag to bag to bag. I usually never switch out of this. And I do have my hand sanitizer. This is just blackberries and basil from Bath and Body Works in this little case. So, because I do get a little freaked out having this one, that I'm afraid it's gonna pop open. So this little case that they sold, like, it keeps it nice and secure. And again, this goes from bag to bag to bag. I have, let's see, hold on, wait, let me just, some of my medicine fell out, but that's how it's starting to look inside. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, we're starting to get into the nitty gritty. I have this notepad that we're taking measurements for some curtains and some furniture that we're thinking of buying just to make sure everything fits. I have a whole bunch of receipts, headache medicine, and again, a whole bunch of other medicine. Allergy pills in case, because again, springtime is here, allergy season, I'm a mess when it comes to that. Nausea pills, because I have my little vertigo. Some gum, just in case, and again, some more headache medicine. I have my EpiPen in here, because I am allergic to a lot of things. And then, let's see, I have some Kleenex. I need to put those all, like, organize all that together. Let's see, in this back zip pocket, I don't have anything in this back zip pocket. I just have the care cards and the other little things that came with the bag. So I'll zip that up. And I'll go ahead and take out the organizer I use. This is the organizer that I originally bought for my Speedy 25, but it was a little too bulky for me. So I went ahead and kept it. I bought this on Amazon. In this organizer, I love all the little compartments that it has. So in this one, I have just my Tide to Go pen, some Lysol, spray Lysol, because yeah, we still need to do all that and keep clean and keep yourself safe. I have some more gum. I have my NARS Orgasm Lip Stain. I have some more excuse me. I have some more hand cream from Gold Bond. Absolutely love that as well. And I have my lip glow and lip maximizer from Dior. Oh my gosh, it's all beginning to pile up. And I also have a pen. You never know when you need a pen. And then in this little compartment, I have just my little case for my Oliver Peoples sunglasses. And that's pretty much everything that I fit inside. And the bag is empty. Okay, so I went ahead and put everything back into the organizer so it's all nice and organized. I got rid of some papers that I didn't need. And again, everything fits super well inside of the Bazar bag. And I'll go ahead and put my little beanie and my scarf back inside. Because again, it's a little sunny, but when you go outside, whew, it's a little chilly. Zip that up. Et voila. It's all packed inside. Not too heavy. Well, it's not too heavy. It fits really well on the shoulders. I absolutely love this bag. If anybody was wondering, you can fit your electronic devices into the Balenciaga XS Bazar tote. Go ahead and open it up. I'll go ahead and take my scarf and my beanie out. I'm going to go ahead and leave everything else inside just because it is my daily essentials. So I'll go ahead and start off with my regular iPad. This is regular size with the case, and I guess we can try and put that in the back, which it fits and it will zip up if you need it. So there's the iPad in the back, so that fits. Now we'll go ahead and try my husband's MacBook Air, which is the 13-inch. Again, go ahead and try and slide that into the back, and we'll see if it fits. Oh, it's getting caught on the... Okay, so the 13-inch MacBook will fit, but you can't zip it. And I have my Sony headphones. I can't remember which kind these are, but those will fit in no problem on the top. Again, you can shimmy things around to make it fit. And I'll go ahead and put the iPad in as well. I'll go ahead and put that in on the back. So yeah, so there is the iPad and the headphones inside. It does make the bag heavy, so I don't know if I would recommend that for everyday use, but if you're traveling, I guess that would be okay. So I'll go ahead and put my beanie back inside and my scarf, and that is filled to capacity. But everything will zip, and that's how it looks. Again, would I recommend it? Probably not, but I just wanted to show for, I guess, demonstration purposes. So that is what fits in my bag and also what's in my bag. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment box down below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, please. I hope everybody is well. I hope everybody is safe and everybody is happy. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.